Welcome to this video series in which we want to share our experience of the last decade in the field of data science. My name is Chris from Old World Computing. We are a consulting company for data science and experts for RapidMiner from Germany with customers from all over the world. We specialize in the establishment of data science, where we still act as external data scientists for the first projects, but help the organizations to build their own independent data science teams in the long run. Before we get started, I'd like to share some bad news about data science. 70% of all data science projects fail. But to be honest, we have been using this exact number for years in presentations or speeches as a little shocker and as motivation to take a closer look at what causes many projects to fail. As an advocate of truth, I didn't want to do this without at least checking the sources and seeing if it's true and still up to date. And as it turns out, it's actually 80% or even more. Granted, both fail and data science are kind of fuzzy terms. Sometimes the studies are more about AI and others more about big data, and sometimes they look at whether the projects got deployed and others at whether the organizations themselves are satisfied with the results, and so on. Nevertheless, the percentages are mostly between 80 and 90%. But regardless of how large this shocking figure is, we should ask ourselves what the problem is in the first place. Of course, projects can fail due to technical problems, such as poor data quality or a lack of patterns to solve the respective use case with the existing data. But over the years, we saw many projects failing for organizational and social reasons, such as the results of a project simply not being used in the company because they are not accepted or not really understood, or because the project did not actually incorporate the problems and needs of the end users. That's why our focus in the following videos is not on the technical part of data science, but rather the organizational and social obstacles that stand in the way of introducing data science methods into an organization, as well as our proposed solutions to help with the establishment process. After showing you what had been the main problems in previous projects for us, we show you how to avoid those problems for your future data science endeavor. We take you step by step through our standard process of establishing data science in organizations, or SPEDS in short. The steps are modular, so no matter at what stage you are in your establishment process, you can integrate the SPEDS at any time. It may surprise you how easy you can push your project success with a few things to consider. So have fun with this series, and if you have questions or want to give feedback, please contact us. We are happy to help you further.